Hi, I'm Leigh and welcome back to Conscious Cooking. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a modern vegan twist on a prosperity noodle salad for Chinese New Year called a Yee Sang. This Malaysian Chinese tradition is something we do over the Lunar New Year with family and friends. It usually has raw fish. In this case, we've done it with a vegan fish, and each of these ingredients represents a different thing to bring prosperity, good fortune, and good luck for the year ahead. You're going to need wonton crisps to represent gold, carrots for good luck, vegan fish for abundance, noodles which symbolise a long life, cucumber for eternal youth, jicama for prosperity in business and work, lettuce for wealth and prosperity, and then you're going to dress it with peanuts, sesame seeds to bless you and your future generations, and plum sauce to symbolise life always being sweet. Now it's time to toss your salad, and don't forget, the higher the toss, the higher the prosperity.